This is a momentous occasion where we celebrate the novices stepping into the profession of nursing, a profession of care, compassion and commitment. The chief guest, Dr. Gajendra Singh, whom I know for the past 30 years, we are truly honored by your presence, sir. I am happy to share his academic journey with you all. Hailing from Shimoga, Karnataka, is a distinguished nursing professional with a BSc in Nursing from Government College of Nursing, Bangalore, and MSc in Pediatric Nursing from Dr. M. Shetty Institute of Health Sciences, Mangalore, and a PhD from Vinayaka Missions University, Salem. Currently, he is serving as the principal of RV College of Nursing, Bangalore. He holds key roles in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, including Chairman of the Board of Studies, Academic Council member, and Examination and Grievance Committee member. A recognized PhD guide, he has mentored over 50 MSc and 5 PhD scholars. He has published extensively and conducted numerous training programs and seminars. The presiding officer, our dear principal, Dr. Larissa Mathasan, a warm welcome
for meticulously putting together everyone's efforts to see this program today. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. I also welcome Dr. Teresa Leonida Mendoza, Vice Principal, to this program. And thank you, ma'am, for laying the welcome mat to all of us. Light is the divinity of life. It shows the right direction of life. With these holy thoughts, let's elevate the spirit of this occasion with the auspicious light.
Of the days, esteemed family members, honored guests, invitees, parents, and fellow budding nurses, a warm good morning to all of you. Today, this ceremony marks a momentous occasion in your journey as a nursing professionals. The lamp lighting ceremony is a tribute to Florence Nightingale, an auspicious occasion in every nurse's life. The budding nurses adorn in their uniforms for the first time, and ceremony formally declares the students' entry into the nursing profession. The Florence Nightingale, also known as founder of modern nursing, she was born into a rich family in Italy. Florence Nightingale is pictured as lady with a lamp, the ministering angel to the distressed soldiers of the Crimean War. She did in fact walk in the wards alone at night, carrying her Turkish lantern, consoling them in their deepest distress. Her perseverance, courage opened the opportunity for nursing to be considered as a significant and one of the respectable professions. Florence Nightingale was a nurse, an educator, social reformer, statistician, and also a writer. Her important role in nursing profession inspired the Florence Nightingale Pledge and the candle lighting ceremony that new nurses take and celebrate today. Today is a significant day in your career. Gives out light, disperse the darkness, which means the nurse must wipe out the darkness of ignorance and immorality. Light illuminates, which means the nurse must enlighten the life of their clients with their attitude of love, care, and compassion. Light reflects, which means every nurses must reflect a good image and influence on their client that will help the
maintain at all times the highest standards of nursing care solemnized events, we shall now
Smile. One more smile. Smile, smile, smile. Yes. Yes, nice. Very good. Thank you.
Automatically then you feel pleasure of working as a nurse. So what I wanted to say for the budding nurses, the globe is your limit, not only India, and don't feel or else don't have any kind of bottleneck or else suffocation. ಎಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳೇನಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ವೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೇರ್ಡ್, ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮಿಲಿಯೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಅಪ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ವಿಕಸನ, ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ವಿತ್ 70,000, 80,000 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸೋ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಜೀವನದ 3 ದಾರಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಥ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್: ನ್ಯಾಯ, ನೀತಿ, ಧರ್ಮ. ಅಧರ್ಮದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದಿನ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗೋಗಿ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈವ್ಲಿಹುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಚರ್. ನಾನು ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್? They doesn't want to accustom with some malpractices. They will go abroad and they will adjust and they will be leading a happy life. But the days are changing. The trend is changing. Transparency, more transparency is coming up in almost all professional practices. I do believe even in nursing profession, same thing may happen. Good transparency, good prudency and autonomy we could able to get with good leaders. That's what I accept. Go ahead with these qualities when you are selecting a leader. We should not say just orally. We should prepare our mindset in such a way he must be the leader. Unless otherwise, ನೆನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದು, is it right? And you could able to admire people, is it right? And lot of resistance, agitation, appreciation you could able to notice. ತಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತನಗೆ ಮೂಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ದಿನ ಸುಖೋಬದ್ಧ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ವರ್ಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಡೆಯೋರು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ಕ್ಲಚ್. you can fix up your own speed. Maybe rocket speed, maybe airplane speed or any speed. But safe speed is very much essential. Do not be imprudent, your nature of life. That's what I wanted to say. And once again, I would like to say thanks to the management of Lakshmi Memorial College of Nursing and our adorable BYS PG Chairman, Dr. Larissa Martha Madam, and other faculty sitting on the dais and off the dais, and my dear students, beloved budding students, and all the invited ladies and gentlemen, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I wholeheartedly extend my thanks for the management, faculty, students, for everybody. Thank you. Thank you.
Vice Principal Dr. Teresa, Program Coordinator Dr. Diana, and all my dear faculty members, and all the dear students of first year BSc Nursing and first year GNM Nursing, their parents, and all the other students of our institutions. A very good afternoon to one and all. After witnessing the solemn ceremony of the lamp lighting event of our current batch of students, it's my
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you gathered here. I feel elated to articulate my attitude of gratitude on this special day to many of the personalities who are behind the success of this program. First and foremost, I give glory to the Almighty God for making today's juncture of this program a resounding success. My sincere thanks to Sri Prashant Shetty, a Vice President, Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, for graciously accepting our invitation despite his numerous and demanding commitments. Although he is unable to present today, we appreciate his consideration and